Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO X200 Pro and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So let's start with opening the contact list, find the contact which you'd like to block and tap on it. And then in the contact settings, tap on block numbers. Tap on block, and as you can see, your device will, wait a second. Tap on block, and as you can see here, you've got this characteristic icon, which means that now you will not receive any incoming calls or text messages from this specific number. You can unblock it the same way right here, but let me leave it like this. We will check whether it will appear on the blacklist. So to enter the blacklist, we have to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. Here, let's enter blocked numbers, and that's our blacklist, and this is the number we blocked from our contacts. So as you can see, that previous option also works. Here we can tap on add a number and enter the number manually on this keypad and tap on block. Of course, it will also immediately appear here. Here we've got the unknown option. We can turn it on and off just by using the switcher, and basically your device will block the calls from all unidentified callers. If you want to unblock the number, just tap on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.